how to fix laptop screen flickering or blinking. If your laptop screen is flickering or blinking, it could be because of a hardware issue or a software issue. Let's start first with a software issue. And what you could do, so simply search for device manager inside of our search bar over here. And the very first thing that you can check out is our computer over here or their display. So network adapters or monitors over here. So we have our integrated monitor. Simply click on update driver over here to ensure that your driver that your device is utilizing is updated. So because sometimes if it's not updated, it might cause some issues. Now, if you are using some external, you could also update your monitors over here. There's also update or display adapters over here, which could also cause the issue. You're simply going to do the same thing where you update your driver as well or check if it's updated. Now, aside from that, what you could also do is you could search msconfig over here, which will allow you to open your system configuration. And this is what it will look like. So to really check if it's a software issue, you're simply going to click on boot over here and click on save boot and click on apply and okay, which will restart your device and open it in save mode. If your device is still flickering even after the safe mode, there is a very high chance that it's a hardware problem and that you're going to have to take it to a technician, because it's not something that you will be able to fix with your system, because if it's in safe mode or a safe boot, it will basically open it with the most minimum or minimal configuration, meaning it will definitely show if it's going to be a software issue. But unfortunately, yeah, if none of this work, I suggest that you take it to technician, because there is a very high chance that it's a hardware issue. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.